Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm here with a quick review of the RugDoctor. I've been using this thing a little bit over a year, and I definitely recommend it. I mean, it's a decent product. I actually purchased it because my commercial grade carpet extractor went down on me in the middle of a job, and luckily I went in Ollie's bargain basement, and I had seen this rug extractor as well as I saw the Bissell rug extractor in there before. So when I went back to try to purchase this, I was actually trying to purchase the Bissell, but they didn't have the Bissell in stock, so I purchased this. This right here was $80 from Ollie's bargain basement. If you look online somewhere, it's about $150 or more, but yeah, you can get it from there for $80 brand new. I had a little problem with it. I packed it up in the truck, actually knocked a hole in my wastewater tank. I put a little piece of tape on the inside, and I was using Gorilla Glue to try to seal it up, but it still had a little leak. But yeah, it kept on leaking, so I went ahead and went online and ordered this wastewater tank from RugDoctor. You know, that way I won't have to worry about water leaking out and it not having the proper suction like it should. But yeah, it has a motorized brush head. Here's the on-off switch for the motorized brush head. You lift it up right in the middle. That's the motor. Right in the middle. I mean, it's not on, but it goes up and down like that. It's motorized. You also can apply your solution through the spray nozzle with the trigger right here. It's a small little carrying handle here, and you also have the handle for moving it around when you want to drag it on the wheels, because it has wheels on the back. You can pull it by the wheels. This is the on-off switch, you know, the main power switch. This your clean water, your wastewater. The hose is kind of short, in my opinion. Seems like they should have made it maybe just a wee bit longer, or maybe have it where you can add a different attachment hose to make it a little longer. But yeah, overall it's a pretty decent product. It definitely works pretty well. Like I said, I had a commercial grade extractor that went down on me, and when it went down on me, luckily I had seen this right here and the Bissell in Ollie's bargain basement. So I went there to pick up this to replace my commercial grade extractor, and I haven't even tried to fix my commercial grade extractor since then. So because this right here has been doing pretty good, it has been holding it down. I haven't had any problems out of it. But yeah, this is my little review of it. You know, it has the little wheels in case you want to pull it around. You know, it has the extension handle. You know, it also has the carrying handle. You can carry it like that. Clean water, wastewater. Has the motorized head. You know, but that's about it. It's a decent product. I do recommend it, you know, for anybody that's interested in purchasing one of these. But if you do have an Ollie's bargain basement, definitely check those guys out. You can probably pick one of these up, like I said, for $80, and you won't have to worry about paying like $150 from RugDoctor or online. You know, you'll probably pay around $150 or better. But thanks for viewing, and I'll get back to you on the next video. Make sure you hit that bell notification in the bottom corner to be notified when I drop new videos. Thanks.